Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for the best product reviews and recommendations. Today we're diving into the world of home cleaning with our top 5 best spray mops. If you're tired of lugging around heavy buckets and want a more efficient way to keep your floors sparkling clean, then stick around. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Panda Grip Microfiber Spray Mop. Like hardwood floors, laminate floors need special care to avoid warping and maintain their shine. We recommend the Panda Grip Microfiber Spray Mop for laminate floors since it has an absorbent microfiber mop pad and an efficient scraper tool to get in the spaces between laminate planks. Additionally, it has excellent maneuverability, a 360-degree swivel head, and is flat enough to get under all your furniture. It's also the most affordable spray mop on our list. During our tests, we noticed that the spray trigger is not the most ergonomic, but that was a slight downside considering its redeeming features. Overall, this spray mop is simple, effective, and can be disassembled for convenient storage anywhere in your home. It does not come with any cleaning fluid, but this is a pro for those who want to use their preferred laminate floor solution. Since this spray mop isn't battery operated, it's also very light and does not have bulky parts. Coming in at number 4 is the O-Cedar ProMist Max Spray Mop. If you want a simple and budget-friendly spray mop to clean grout and tile, we recommend the O-Cedar ProMist Max Microfiber Spray Mop. During our testing, we were impressed with the fully rotating mop head and soft, fluffy, double-sided microfiber cloth. This maneuverable mop head can get under furniture and clean messes of different textures. We also liked how efficient it was at cleaning up ketchup, juice, and wine stains on grout, which only required a couple of sprays, and how lightweight and portable it was. The only downsides are that it wasn't the best at cleaning thick messes like oil and butter, and your hands may get dirty when removing the mop pad. Still, we think this mop pad is best for keeping tile and grout thoroughly polished. It's also reasonably priced and compact enough to be stored behind a door or in a utility closet. Taking the third spot is the Bona Hardwood Floor Premium Spray Mop. Cleaning hardwood floors requires special care and maintenance. To tackle the job, we love the Bona Premium Spray Mop for hardwood floors. The extra-large microfiber mop pad can quickly clean large surface areas, and the mop pad is effective at getting in the seams or crevices of plank flooring. In our testing, we noticed that oil and butter were not as well absorbed on the mop pad as other stains and debris, but a few extra sprays of solution mostly resolved the issue. We like that the cleaning solution sprays in a wide, even area almost as large as the mop head, and that the mop head swivels for maneuverability around all your furniture. The mop pad is easy to attach and remove thanks to a hook and loop closure that stays in place as you clean, and is machine washable for convenient upkeep. Each kit comes with a spray mop, a reusable mop pad, a cleaning solution bottle, and a refill of cleaning concentrate, which is EPA Safer Choice certified. It's also great in terms of portability, as it doesn't drip or leak when you pick it up or move it around. Plus, a small hook at the top of the handle allows you to hang it up for easy storage. Coming in at number 2 is a OXO Microfiber Spray Mop. If you're looking for a reusable spray mop, we recommend the OXO Good Grips Microfiber Spray Mop, which performed impressively across our lab tests. This mop includes a handy slide-out scrubber for stuck-on messes, which stood out among the other mops we tested. We loved how efficiently the mop cleaned everything from ketchup to butter on grout and hardwood floors, although we did need to go over the seams of the hardwood floor with the scrubber a few times to get most of the butter out. We also like how lightweight and portable it is, and although it does not fold into a more compact size, it's slim enough to store just about anywhere. While you can buy mop pad refills for this spray mop, we found that the pads held up well when we washed them by hand and in the washing machine, minimizing the frequency you need to repurchase. This spray mop comes fully assembled and includes one mop head and a cleaning solution bottle attached. It also maneuvers well under chairs, tables, and furniture, as well as into corners. Just note that it does not have an adjustable handle. Still, we were impressed with this spray mop's effectiveness and reliability over all surface types and messes. And finally, our top pick is the Swiffer PowerMop. If you want an effective spray mop with disposable mop pads, opt for the Swiffer PowerMop Multi-Surface Kit, our pick as one of the very best products in 2025. It's simple to use. Just attach the mop head, pop in the cleaning solution, and spray as you go. The convenient disposable mop heads also make it easy to refresh your mop after every use. Each head has over 300 tiny scrubbing strips that clean dust, sticky spills, and grime, which we found effectively clean stains on tile and hardwood with only a couple of sprays. While this spray mop is lightweight and swivels well along furniture and corners, it's unable to fit under narrow spaces. Despite this, it has impressive cleaning power, and we especially like that the mop heads stay in place as you move. The spray trigger never gets jammed or clogged and holds a continuous spray when pressed down for seamless cleaning. We also appreciate the affordable price, even though mop heads and cleaning solution refills are a must for this product. And there you have it, our top 5 best spray mops. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.